Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming Chrome OS is up to date and you have storage for images. This prevents conflicts. Next, open Settings, navigate to Appearance, then Wallpaper so you're in the right place to act. Choose whether you'll use a built-in wallpaper, upload a local image, or pull from Google Photos because each path uses different permissions and steps. Once done, keep the wallpaper source decision in mind. It determines the next clicks and any cropping or permission prompts you'll see. You now pick or upload the image and pay attention to crop and fit options. This matters for how icons and status bars appear. If you upload, use Browse and locate the image. Pick a high-resolution photo to avoid blur. If using Google Photos, grant permission and select the album, then preview since Chromebook can scale differently on external displays. Once satisfied, choose whether to apply to Home, Lock, or both, and tap Set Wallpaper to commit the change. Finish by confirming the wallpaper appears correctly on both Home and Lock. You should inspect icon contrast and readability. If it fails to apply, restart the Chromebook first. A reboot clears transient issues. If problems persist, clear Chrome OS cache or remove and regrant Google Photos or file permissions because blocked access is a common cause. One quick troubleshooting tip. Try a different image size or format, since unsupported formats or extremely large files can prevent the wallpaper from being set.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.